Hi, my name is Mohammad Samir Shahan, and this is my case study on GROK, a generative AI developed by XAI and embedded within X, which is formerly known as Twitter. GROK performs various tasks, writing, coding, image generation, and real-time search. These are the part of it. What sets GROK apart is its integration with live user content and ability to combine generative AI with social media interaction. In this presentation, I'll explore the problems GROK addresses, assess its performance, and offer practical improvements. Let's look at the business problem that GROK is trying to solve. The first one is most users rely on different apps to write code, generate visuals, and research topics. Switching between platforms slow down productivity, interrupts workflow, and increases mental load. GROK aims to fix this by centralizing this function into one system. The second one is workflow disruption. Content creators and developers often have to copy and paste between tools, increasing the chance of errors and inefficiencies. GROK offers a smoother, continuous experience inside X, saving time and reducing friction in creative or technical tasks. The third one is platform engagement. From a business perspective, X faces the challenge of keeping users on the platform. Competing tools like ChatGPT operates outside the social media sphere. GROK helps X compete by offering high-value AI services natively, which increases user retention. The last one is revenue generation. Another issue is monetization for any social media apps or any tech companies. Uh, Social media platforms are under pressure to generate revenue beyond ads. By integrating GROK into its premium subscription, X adds a paid feature that delivers practical value and positions the platform as a AI forward. Let's look at our next section, which is literature review. Generative AI enhances creativity and productivity, and GPT-4's report shows its versatility in writing, summarizing, and coding is very efficient, and but still AI is risky. That's what Mittelstadt argued in 2019, and he raised some concern against bias and opacity in how AI systems generate content. And Santonio Riccio and McCarthy in 2019 introduced responsibility gaps where AI causes harm, but no one is accountable. These apply to GROK as well, because it processes real-time user content. Strong governance and transparency. Yeah, strong governance and transparency are very much essential in this case. Let's jump down to our next section, which is evaluation criteria. I analyzed GROK using 5 criteria. The first one is creative effectiveness. Uh, g- it is really good with short responses and tweets, but it lacks depth in code and visuals. Uh, the second one is scalability and accessibility. It runs smoothly on X infrastructure, but it is behind a paywall since it is included with X Premium. And the third one is user experience. It is very much convenient in app access, although quality varies depending on query complexity. The fourth one is security and privacy. Data use policies aren't clear because they haven't disclosed it to media or any other platform. So it is raising privacy questions as well. The fifth one is bias and misinformation, and it creates huge ethical implications as well. Since it uses real-time content interaction, it is very much possible uh, to misinformation to prevail. Uh, let's jump down to our next section, which is strength and weaknesses. First, strength, I would say, is GROK covers writing, coding, summarizing, and image generation, all of these tasks very efficiently. And the second one is live context. It pulls data from real-time X content to generate timely, relevant responses. The third one will be a user-friendly tone. Its informal style appeals to younger and social media savvy audiences. It also adds some humor and sarcasm to its answer. So it is very much likable and very much up to date as well. Another one will be platform integration. As I mentioned earlier, users don't need to switch tools. They can access it through X. And the last one will be strategic value. GROK helps differentiate X from platforms and supports a long-term vision. Let's look at the weaknesses of GROK. HCI hasn't fully disclosed training data or moderation techniques of it. So it is I will consider it as a weakness. And the second one is access restriction, because only premium users can try GROK, reducing feedback diversity. Ethical risks. Responses may reflect harmful or biased or misinformation, especially as it is trained on trending content as well. The last one will be featured limitations. And compared to mature tools like GPT-4, GROK lacks advanced reasoning and conversation memory. And I would recommend to use tools like SHAP or Lime to explain how GROK forms responses. The second one is launch a free or academic access version to explain feedback and fairness. And third one will be to clarify how data is collected. And the fourth one, I would say, is conduct regular reviews for bias, especially sensitive topics. Uh, let's jump down to our conclusion. I think GROK is a promising AI that integrates creative tools with a live social platform. It's convenient, engaging, and helps X stay competitive. But to become a trusted and widely used AI, GROK must improve its transparency, accessibility, and ethical safeguards. And these are the references I used in this presentation. Thank you so much for listening. That is all from me.